Alright. Shh, gotta be quiet. Don't want to disturb it. Okay. Alright. Watch out. It might. Oh god. Get the zoom. Whoa, ew. Is that mold? Ew.
What is that, Sean?
It's dirty bangs. Dirty. Oh. I haven't made anything maybe that good. The throwing up ever. Oh man. Oh. Oh. That actually smells a little bit better. I'm actually feeling better after looking at this. Oh, it smells way better. Oh. Dude, make my eyes water. I don't even know what's up. What's in here? Oh, there's another unknown container. God, I don't even wanna. Whoa! God, that seriously does look like crap. Dude, at least I didn't mold. Oh, God.
Oh my god.
God. Ugh. I wonder if this milk expired yet. Raw Jersey milk. Ew. It's even got a yellowish color to it. It hadn't even been opened. Sell by... Oh, I don't even have a sell by date. Oh, milk should have a sell by date. Oh, wait, you got a green container.
Green. Nothing ever comes good from a green container. Oh, it even made the crunchy.
Oh my god, the peas turned pink. I don't know how they do that. Woo! Whoa! God! Dirty peas! Dirty peas! Okay, I'm not venturing any farther in there.
Nasty.
I don't even see that. Alright, man, I'm about to throw up. Let's go. Oh.
This has been a Duty Beans production.
Yes! Hey! Duty on me. Better not got duty on me. Hey, it's like... that! Dude. Man, that's a good shirt, too. I should've did it.
Oh my god, I feel so good. Oh yeah, oh slow down. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Who's your daddy? Who's your daddy? Oh my god. Oh yeah, play with my balls, play with my balls. Oh, that feels so good. Yeah, just roll them around in a circle. Oh my god, I love it when you... Uh-oh, slow down. Don't move. I'll go get you a towel.